Hello, miracle workers! Welcome to another special episode of Unlocking Miracles, Genergy's Guide to Life, Love, and Leadership. And for this special episode, I have invited someone special. So let me introduce her to you. Our guest is a multi-awarded social entrepreneur, a finalist in the finest startup competition in the Philippines, the Final Pitch Season 4, and a cohort of AIM Dado Banatao, ISIP, Ashoka, Facebook Accelerator, Alibaba, Youth-led, and several Asian programs. She is also a business and career trainer, speaker, mentor, startup advocate, and ambassadress of Canva and other local and international brands. And most importantly, she is the CEO and founder of Filipina Home-Based Moms, the first and the biggest freelancing group of for Pinay moms with more than 530,000 members globally. I think hindi na to updated. Parang close to a million na ang alam ko dito. Okay, she recently joined Get Hired, an automated recruitment platform, as a co-founder, and the Bibong Pinay company, an entrepreneurship membership platform, as a COO. Our guest is passionate about helping stay at home moms, corporate, overseas moms, and the youth sector thrive in their chosen careers, either as an entrepreneur or freelancer, so that they can earn enough without leaving their families. Wow, beautiful advocacy. And she is a mom or a woman with strong advocacy to change the world one mom at a time. Friends, help me welcome here at Unlocking Miracles, Mommy MK Bertufo.
Hi, thank you so much, Coach Janice, for having me here. I'm so excited, no, na makapag-share ng aking story of miracles.
Yes. Okay. So, what are you grateful for today, Mommy MK?
Oh, I'm so grateful, no, just by being at home, I guess, kasi naman, no, ang hirap if you are working outside and you have a newborn, in my case, no. So, I'm just grateful just by being at home.
Yes, it's such a blessing na because meron ka pang maliit na anak, right? And I know that you're breastfeeding, tama ba?
Yes,
You're
yes.
breastfeeding your small kid, no? So,
Mhm.
very
That's right,
blessed
that's right.
yan.
I'm also breastfeeding.
Yes, na nakakapagtutok ka sa anak mo and at the same time, you're also working at home. Ayan. So, for the benefit of our first-time listeners na hindi pa kilala si Mommy MK, please provide us some very short kwento on what brought you to this world of freelancing. Yan, no? Kasi
Mm-hmm.
ako nakilala ko si Mommy MK online muna, no? I think first time ko siya na-encounter when she guested in our community sa Rise Up the 5 a.m. Club. That was way back during the
Tagal na rin
pandemic.
na.
Tagal na, yes. Tapos silent follower mo lang ako. And then up until this year, nagkaroon kayo ng major event in
Mhm.
Quezon where my sister-in-law invited me to join. And that's where na nag-meet tayo for the first time ng in
In
person.
person.
Ka-table pa
Okay.
pala kita.
Yes,
Sama mo
yes.
yung family mo. And then second time was during the event sa Entrepreneur with Mami Negosyo. Ayan. So yan, please share your story.
Yes. Ayan, I started working from home, no, in 2017. Pero prior to that, I tried different jobs rin, just like many of us na kakatapos ng sa school, though I'm an undergrad, no. Pero when I tried to look for jobs, ang mga naging trabaho ko was a cashier sa isang fast food chain. And then I also tried working as a call center agent for two different call center companies. From one call center, magja-jump ako sa isa pang call center kasi nagdo-double shift ako, no? So, that was for ilang years then, 2 to 3 years, ganyan. And then when I transitioned to working from home in 2017, na-discover ko siya, yung husband ko is already working from home. Siya yung unang nag-resign from our work since pareho kaming working from home. Pareho kaming working for the same company and then sabay na rin kaming nag-work from home. So, 2017 yun. My first online job was as an email support, and then I also tried working as a virtual assistant and a social media manager. And then si husband naman, email support din during that time for the same company nga kami, same client, no? It's a tattoo shop in Canada. And then ako naman, when I tried to look for a community, no, for work at home moms, wala akong makita. And as a first time mom, I'm looking for a support group, no. So nung wala akong makita, I created FH Moms or Filipino Home-Based Moms with now 535,000 members globally. So it became an advocacy nga, according rin sa introduction earlier. And nagtuloy-tuloy na yon. Ayan. So I'm still working from home ngayon, no? And may mga ibang ginagawa rin, no, as part of my advocacy. So, yan.
Yan,
That's
yun yung
me.
pinakamabilisang kwento ni Mommy MK sa atin. Sobrang nakaka-inspire yung journey Mommy MK. So, yeah, thank you for sharing. And for those na nakikinig sa atin ng mga moms na first time pa lang na narinig ang story ni Mommy MK, I hope you are excited to learn more from her, especially if you're thinking of going into freelancing or having an additional income for your family. Ayan. So, Mami MK, ano ba yung mga miracle stories na ikukwento mo sa amin ngayong during this interview? Yan.
Mm. I guess I wanted to start muna with how we survived din talaga after the passing of my mom. She was an OFW for 2 years, and then when she came back dito sa Philippines, nagkaroon siya ng ovary cancer. So unfortunately hindi na namin siya nakasama. Pero yung idea na makasurvive kami kasi yung tatay ko that time wala naman siyang work, and then racket-racket lang. And then ako pumapasok pa tsaka yung kapatid ko. So, talagang ginapang kami, no, ng tatay ko para mabuhay kami and eventually makapag-work ako. So, I think that's one miracle na ma-share ko din talaga kasi sobrang hirap ng mga panahon na yun. And then siguro yung second na miracle ko, Coach Janice, would be uh, me, us, no, partner ko at ng husband ko na makapag-conceive and ayan, now that we're blessed with a baby girl kasi talagang gustong-gusto namin magkaroon ng second baby and talagang dream come true siya for us. And then third siguro, no, yung pagkakaroon ng ito aside from our family, no, I'm also grateful with ano man yung meron kami right now, yung sarili naming bahay, yung farm namin, no, and yung quality time na meron kami ngayon as a family, and it's because of our lifestyle din as well as work, no, na nabigyan kami ng opportunity na makapag work anywhere, so not just at home but kung saan man namin gustong magpunta.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful stories. Ako sobrang na-inspire ako, especially yung doon sa kunyento mo about conceiving, no? So, ano yung gap between the first child and your second? Ilang
Medyo
years?
matagal din. Yung baby ko ngayon is 1 year old na. And then yung firstborn ko ay 10 years old naman. So medyo malayo
Wow, so
talaga yung
parang
buwan
10
nilang
years
dalawa.
in the making pala,
Mm.
no? Yung ano,
Kasi sobrang
yung
naging busy din talaga ako, as in sobrang busy for the past year. So sabi ko talaga kung mabe-bless man kami ng another baby, sobrang grateful ko talaga sa Diyos.
Yeah. So, I for myself, 10 years na kaming kasal ng asawa ko and we're a childless couple. So, we're manifesting then that we will be having our kid then someday, no? So, kaya na-inspire ako makarinig ng mga ganyang klaseng miracle stories kasi syempre with the faith and prayers talaga, anything is possible. Curious ako malaman, Mommy MK, because you established a community for for how many years mo siyang inumpisahan, no? 7, 8 years mo na siyang since the
Mm,
time that
yes.
you conceive. Oh, 'di ba? Conceive din ang tawag. um, ano yung parang top, siguro let's say top three values that you had that time that you made it a point na ito yung i-honor mong values para to make sure that yung ma-establish mong grupo is something na magiging sustainable or
Mhm.
tatagal, lalaki. You know?
Yes, siguro yung pinaka una diyan would be yung pag-give back din talaga sa community. So, since we have a lot of free webinars inside the group as well as resources, I always remind our community members na kapag natulungan sila ng group, kailangan nilang ibalik yun, no, sa group pa din.
Mm.
So, that
Okay.
makatulong sila. So, either um, magsagot sila ng mga tanong ng ibang members through comments or they can also volunteer no sa mga events ng FH Moms or they can also be a speaker. So anything lang na po pwede silang mag-give back sa community, definitely yun yung ine-encourage natin. And isa pa yung pinaka siguro golden rule na meron kami is to have respect no with each other, especially na hindi naman natin alam no yung dinadanas ng iba. So we wanted to remind everyone to always be kind, no? Especially na it's a women community, no? And it's dedicated for moms who needed support. So ayan, yan lang, yung dalawang yan lang talaga.
Ay, beautiful naman, no? Giving back and respect, no? And kakabit din nun is yung kindness. Another question I have in mind for you is, sino bang mga mentors mo or sino ba yung mga taong nag-inspire sa'yo para i-pursue tong career na to, yung sa freelancing?
Mm, mm, mm. Right now, no, I'm being mentored by Sir Francis Kong, as well as
Mm.
Coach Shinkitan. This two coaches, no, ay talagang masasabi ko na very helpful sa akin. Pero even before meeting them, no, in person and being coached by them in person, siguro ang naging pinaka-mentor ko din talaga is my husband. My husband kasi has been with me since day one na nagsimula ako ng lahat ng to, and every time na magkakaroon ako ng problema or challenges, siya talaga yung nalalapitan ko, nahihingian ko ng ideas, strategies, or any support lang that I needed. So I consider him no na talagang unang mentor ko. And then I also have friends who became my mentor since yun talaga yung expertise nila. And I also consider no our community members na somewhat nag-guide din sa akin kahit hindi nila alam. Ang dami ko ring natututunan sa kanila by just reading their posts, their comments, and then by meeting them in person. So nare-remind ako ng nare-remind no ng lahat ng values as well as teachings nila since when I started FH Moms, sobrang bata ko pa and isa pa lang naman yung anak ko. But this moms, matagal na nanay and at the same time may multiple kids na rin. So I always listen to them then if we're talking about parenting as well as motherhood. If it's business, mas maraming pang magagaling na iba. So I always check no with them how I can navigate din talaga not just work as well as business but life in general.
Wow, beautiful. No? So yun yung kagandahan that you have a community, supportive community, no? You get to share some best practices, yung mga, no, you get to inspire one another and challenge one another. Kasi nga naman, yun yung challenge talaga sa mga tao na you to go out of their comfort zone, no? So madalas kasi we're confined in our own comfort zone na kailangan natin ng accountability bodies. And I think meron kayong ganong system no sa community that may mga accountability and then mga leaders that are supporting the members. Okay, very nice conversation. I know you're a very busy person and I really truly appreciate your time to you have spared to to this podcast. No? So I'm giving you this opportunity, Mommy MK, to promote ano ba yung mga current programs mo or events, upcoming events that you want to share with our viewers. Go ahead.
Yes, ayan. If you can follow our social media pages as well as our group, all you have to do is just search for FH Moms. Ayan. We also have regular programs, no? Kagaya ng training and apprenticeship program namin na ginagawa namin on a monthly basis. So, you will be connected, no, with a client para makagawa kayo ng iba't ibang task for them. And it has a mock interview, and then you will be assigned, no, for different tasks, and you will be presenting that together with your group mates. And then we also conduct events in person, no. Kakatapos lang nung Mother's Day event namin at saka ng isang conference. So very successful. It was attended by hundreds of moms, and then we're scheduling more pa this year. So we hope na makasama namin kayo doon. And yun lang muna for now.
Yes! Wow! Ang dami talagang ganap ni Mami MK. Hindi ko alam paano niya ginayos yung kanyang schedule. Pero I know she's very organized woman kasi nga, diba, itong interview na to was kind of impromptu for her but pinagbigyan tayo ni Mami MK. So it really speaks of her values talaga na hindi siya madamot. She's very generous in sharing. So thank you very much, Mami MK, for sharing with us your journey and inspiring our viewers. And for those na first time pong makakinig nitong Unlocking Miracles, I highly encourage you to subscribe so that you will be notified of the future episodes. We feature here mga inspiring people sharing their journey with regards to their leadership, their relationships, and even their yung mga milestones nila sa buhay. And that's the goal of our show. We want to spread positivity. Marami na pong masyadong negativity sa mundong ito. So, let's talk about good news. Let's talk about something that will really inspire us. My invitation to everyone is to continue to unlock more miracles and be a blessing to more people. Cheers and see you in the next episode. Bye. Thanks, Mommy MK.
Thank you. Bye-bye.